everyone, look at all these stunning roses. Guess where we are? You would never guess. We are in Yokohama, Japan's second largest city, and the city hall has a rose related event which I have to see, of course, and you will do with me. And we are in Yokohama because of this flower event at Yokohama Garden Necklace. We are here for the Garden Necklace Yokohama Roses event. And this is the Yokohama Rose Weeks in the beautiful Sakuragicho Basamichi place in Yokohama, Japan. Yokohama is the second largest city, and this is the city hall. And it is so nice that they are lending this city hall to create this garden fair, and they are exhibiting newest roses, and this, by the way, will be in future, so there are many future plans too. And they even have like violin concert, and then they have guests like this French designer who created this booth here exhibiting cute roses. For example, this is Sophie Rochelle that I have just shown you a video of it in our rose series. So it's lovely how they have these bouquets here for inspiration, and then of course hydrangeas, since it is now the season of hydrangea. And then there are peonies, also season flowers, and we will discover again the roses by Yagi Rose Farm. We have many on my rose channel, these truly stunning roses. And they are here presented next to lilac. And so you can enjoy such bouquet, but also flowers like this, and especially they have the new flower releases over here, like this. Some of them are not really happy to be in this exhibition, but it's so nice, and I will try to make a video of each as much as possible. There are some that I would really want to have in my collection, like this Japanese rose, Percival. Actually, on the video it's a bit flashy. They are more darker colors and rich. Then this one, French rose, Le Ton de Cerise. And each of them has their information plate. And also they invite guests to hold speeches and to explain to people about new roses and how to take care of roses. And so there is a stage. This is one of the new roses called Silk Road by Mr. Takunori Kimura. And so photographers and plant lovers are coming to see this event. This is how it looks. And for example, these are the guests that are coming to here. And they even have this very cute forest-like place with lovely roses. Here we meet again, new image. And then such cute aliens, like what are you people? Very lovely, even an entire tree. So adorable to have this inside the city hall. Then we have here this other very strange, I mean the color is so lovely, and tiny, many petals, rose. It doesn't look too happy to be here. So pretty. And you can see again how crazy is Japan about plants and flowers, and how they are getting people to come here. By the way, it is Monday. It's just a normal Monday. Here are more aliens for you. And so, let's enjoy each rose on its own. And not only here, but outside the city hall, it's also full of roses. Like this. Also look at these amazing poppies. They are like gray with lilac. And it's not a plastic flower, they are real poppies. Probably it's the first time to see something like this. And then these have such wavy petals. And next to such roses, one truly stunning setting here. And also look how the Japanese imagine the scenery of the future for happiness. It's like this, full of green. And indoor harvest, indoor salad growers, and the Japanese parks. So that's how Yokohama will be in 2027. And then they even have such a corner for traditional Japanese style. Beautiful arrangements. This is a peony, by the way, with a rose. Such a nice display. Or like this tree here, very distorted, very interesting shape. An amazing bonsai. And then here another stunning flower arrangement with so much greenery. And then pink roses. And it's pretty from all sides.